black folks love chicken. I told y'all nigga what it is. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Y'all know what it is.
What is going down?
What's up?
Back with another video.
Not just any new video. This is our first video in our new
place.
Our new place, people.
But check this out. As y'all see on the intro,
yes,
we went to Harold's.
Yes, we did.
Chicken Shack. Harold's is actually a Chicago chicken place, right?
I learned that today. Yes, it is.
So now they're out here in Phoenix, Arizona.
We only have one spot.
You know what's dope? Chicago South Side Chicken Shack. They went to the South Side.
They went to the. You know what? We're gonna be someplace. It's gonna be the South Side.
The longest line.
the longest
all
wait.
the way down.
The funniest people we met.
Yes, good conversation.
Good conversation.
And good customer service.
And good customer service.
You know, the line was long. It took about an hour.
And you know what's funny? Because everybody was kind of patient, you know?
But it was a good experience.
It was a very good experience.
Let's get to what y'all want.
Please.
I love Chicago places. They say the mild sauces were the place to be.
Yes.
So
this is the sauce.
You got the chicken. We got all wings.
Yes, we got all wings.
And
they were running
and
out
what
of
else
some.
we get?
We got some shrimp.
You gotta get the shrimp. We got wings and shrimp.
Look at the size of this shrimp.
That look good.
Look, it's almost the size of my palm.
So
yes.
pour the mild sauce.
You pour the mild sauce.
And then I'm gonna get a couple and I'm gonna pour the mild sauce on.
All right.
Ooh, that's a beautiful.
Gotta dab it, bro.
Mmm.
Okay, that's my bite.
Wow. Wow.
You know, to
That
take
chicken
us over there.
crispy. That chicken is crispy like a mug. I like that. I like that. I don't think I'm ever going back to Popeyes or.
Let me see how crispy it is.
Like that right there. Crispy, wrong thing.
It's battered.
Battered good.
It's like home.
It's like a home. She's not even saying that because she knows Bar B. One thing, Harold, just that one piece of chicken is worth the wait. So what I'm gonna do?
No sauce with that?
I'm gonna get a 2-piece. I want the infamous mild sauce.
I'm speechless.
The shrimp.
This is like a ketchup and hot sauce, I think.
The shrimp is spicy.
The shrimp.
The shrimp is spicy.
All right.
But it has that, it's thick shrimp though. It's that good shrimp.
Do you have to have that spice?
I don't know. But it's delicious though.
Whew.
She didn't even worry
It's
about
a real
That's
shrimp.
how you know she likes something when she's just
Quiet.
quiet. Mild sauce. They say you gotta have mild sauce on.
Well, it tastes like this ketchup and hot sauce.
Like it's not too
You
bad.
can't even dip your shrimp in there.
Okay. I got my mild sauce. Y'all told me I had to have mild sauce on. The combination of fried chicken and mild sauce. That's it. You see what they're talking
No,
about?
it's like it's home fried. Home cooked.
That does taste good about because it reminds me of like a fried chicken wing with the ketchup.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of. Even though I like it without the mild sauce, I can see why they like it. And then you can dip it. I'm gonna let y'all know. I thank y'all. I thank you, Harold, for coming down there and fix Arizona. That chicken is Bobby. Y'all, no wonder the line is long because we were tired at KFC and Popeyes and at churches.
You want real chicken?
Yeah, this is real.
Ooh, very flavorful chicken.
Yep.
Very crispy. The flavor's there. Like I said, I don't even need a mild sauce. The mild sauce reminds me of ketchup and the fried chicken. That combination.
The seasoning's perfect.
Ketchup
Seasoning
and hot
perfect.
sauce.
The shrimp is delicious, thick shrimp.
Big,
spicy. But the spice don't make you can end up eating 10 of them because I'm gonna eat another one.
Yeah.
The fries, you can't have perfection, baby. You know what I'm saying? You can't have perfection. But we came for the chicken. We want to know if the chicken was on point, chicken is on point, the shrimp is on point.
Right.
And I got a whole bucket.
No, I have a whole bucket.
I'll fight over that bucket.
I bet you one time, will
Have you been to all my Chicago people? If you're watching right now, tell us what you think down in the comment section. Your experience at Harold's. It's over here in the southwest in Phoenix, Arizona now. Thank you. It is what everybody said it is.
Yeah, very good.
It's Daniel.
This Tita.
Tita didn't even talk. Because she's eating.
I'm happy. I can die happy now.
Eating the food that she likes.
I can die happy now.
Last time I had a problem with some nigga about some chicken, nigga. I was on 103rd Southside Chicago with Kanye West. Up at Harold's Chicken.